Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Tally Form Builder tutorial. Tally is arguably one of the easiest online form builders, as all you'll need to do is go onto tally.so and then tap on create a free form and you'll be able to get started. After doing that, you can start adding in your form name, so you can tap right where you see title and you could add in a form name. You can also choose to add a logo, add a cover, or you can tap on design and you can change the color of the form. So you can choose whether you like it to be light, dark, or you could tap on custom and select the color that you would like to use. You can also select the font style by tapping right where you see enter in the top right hand corner, and you could select the font style that you would want, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you can start adding in your form elements. So for example, this is a multiple choice question that I've added. Now to add questions is quite easy. All you'll need to do is tap on the plus. So let me remove this real quick. So you would tap on the plus and you can choose to either add a short answer, long answer, multiple choice, checkboxes, or so on. You can also scroll down, and if you like to add a new page, you can do that, a thank you page, text, or so on, you can add that. You can also add images, video, audio, and embed anything. You can scroll down and you can also set up calculated fields. You can add a cache if you want by tapping on cache, then tap on insert. You can see that a cache has been added right there. And to add a different question or element, you'll simply tap on the plus from the last element or where you'd like to add the next element, better yet, and you can scroll down and you can add the element right there. So let's say for example, after adding that, we like to allow persons to upload a file. We could select file upload, then you'll tap on insert. After you have tapped on insert, you can see that they'll now be able to upload a file. And if you like to offer another option also, you can do that. So we could tap on the plus. After you have tapped on the plus, if it is a case that you would like to add ratings, you could tap on ratings. Then you'll tap on insert and they'll now be able to add ratings. So you could ask a question right there and then they'll be able to add ratings. You can tap on the plus and you could also collect payment. You can also require signature and so much more. Once you are finished creating your form, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner to see how it looks. If it is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish. Then you'll tap on either continue with Google, continue with Apple, or you can enter your email address. So let's say we were to, after you have signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. What kind of work do you do? And you can select the type of job that you do. Then what is your role? You can select it right there. And how did you discover Tally? And I'll tap on take me to Tally. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected back to your Tally dashboard. Once on the Tally dashboard, what you're going to do next, in line with the form that you have created, you're just going to tap on the three dots. Then I want you to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Once it has been published, you'll be provided with a shareable link, so you could copy this link and share it. So for example, if I were to open a new tab and paste it in, you can see the form right there. Or what I could do is you could tap on integrations from the top navigation bar, and then you could integrate different platforms as you can see right there. And you can also add it onto your site if you want. To add it onto your site is quite easy. We could tap on share right there, then scroll down and you can see embed form. You can choose to either embed it as a full page, standard, or pop-up. You can select whichever one of these options. After you have tapped on the option, you will see get the code in the top left hand corner, and you can simply tap on get the code. Then you'll tap on copy embed code and you can paste it on your website. It's as easy as that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.